All right, guys, I want to make this a quick one just because I don't want anybody falling prey to what's going on out there. There is some really interesting news going on. It's not even news, I don't think you can call it, but let's just get into the action. All right, so here's what's going on. 4chan has been on top of everybody's news feed as far as Twitter goes and every YouTuber out there. I just want to make sure that I cover this the right way that's going to be able to be helpful as opposed to some of the things that are going on. So when this last crash happened, after it happened, people started looking back and saying, hey, some guy said this was going to happen exactly the way it did. And this is the post right here. So, hey guys, Insider here. And he goes on to say, that Bitcoin was going to drop to the $30,000 mark and then it was going to get pushed back up. There were things that happened, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, it gave this guy validity saying that he knows what's going on. He's part of this whale group that's organizing things. First, it doesn't make a lot of sense for somebody to actually put their business out there this way if they're looking to monetize and take advantage of the market. That's just insane for you to think about. Why would someone that's looking to make money off other people put this out there? Regardless, there was another post that came out from the same person. Again, he gained traction because of this original post that only came to light after the events took place. Here's the next post. So in approximately 2 hours of sleep, blah, 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 basically saying that they're going to short Bitcoin to 25,000. And that's the number that they're going for this time. So all I'm asking for is please think for yourself. Why would someone do this? The only time they make money is when they're betting against somebody else, right? So it's a game of chicken, essentially. So if people are selling, you buy. If people are buying, you sell. It's the same idea every single time. The money is just getting exchanged from point A to point B. That's all that's happening here. Why would this person do this and share all their info? The only thing that makes sense to me is that they are looking to monetize this. So the first post, nobody was going to listen to, some random person on the internet, anonymous, nobody's going to hear it. But the second one, wait, this person already said something that did take place, so it must be legitimate. Well, what if it isn't? What if it was just to take advantage of the first post and now get people to buy into this and sell even more? It's, again, you want to make sure that you understand exactly what these people's mindsets are. They are trying to monopolize, to take advantage of the market and take advantage of what's going on. And the only way to do that is to get people to act in a herd mentality, like I've said so many times before. So please, all I'm going to say is think for yourself. Don't be emotional about this. Don't be greedy saying, oh yeah, I'm going to follow whatever that anonymous person is saying on 4chan, which is basically the armpit of the internet. Please don't do that. If you make a decision to invest in Bitcoin, you want to go along with it, go along with it. Stick with it. Make decisions for yourself. Don't allow some random person or multiple people retweeting this or posting about this to influence you. My goal has always been to give you guys the information for you to make decisions for yourself. So please make decisions for yourself. And there's another, side to this. What if it was that first post just to gain traction and gain validity? The second post, maybe they want to gain validity with it too. And the ultimate goal would be a third post. It could happen. Regardless, all I'm trying to remind you of is that Bitcoin has a huge value. And the reason it keeps going up is because people see it. And more corporations are adopting it, and it's just going to continue to gain traction. So regardless of what you read on the internet, this is all about easy gains. That's what these people are doing. They're, taking advantage of people's greed, taking advantage of people's emotions, essentially. Because if you're not thinking with your head, it's very easy for you to follow the crowd. I mean, I wanted to sell. When I saw Bitcoin dropping this last time, I was like, I gotta sell. And then I reminded myself, oh yeah, you told other people not to do it. Why are you gonna do it? So, please, think for yourself, make good decisions when it comes to crypto. Let's make this marketplace, this environment, a healthy one, because it can be so easily toxic. Whenever you have money involved, a lot of money involved, it's so easy for things to go sideways. So, as always, if you guys wouldn't mind, I would really appreciate if you just hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for notifications. I will come back to you guys later today. I'll get you more videos, more information about what's going on in the markets, but I'll leave it with this. You guys think for yourselves, do your research, and make educated decisions based on what you believe is best, not what some random person on the internet might be saying. So you guys have a good day, and I'll see y'all later.